Continuing my retro wardrobe, I created these strawberry berets. I apologize, it's not a raspberry beret, for a craft fair. Unfortunately, nobody wanted them. Maybe I was a little too whimsical for the area, but I found this chart on Instagram and I thought I would show my strawberry beret in some of these styles. So this one is really my favorite, this real far tilt. And then my second favorite would be this one all the way at the back. I did sew in a loop and put a bobby pin to make it easier to keep it on. I think I may have made the hat a little bit on the small side. I was kind of making up the dimensions. But that means that it doesn't exactly fit with all the styles on that chart. But the tilt one, for sure. The mushroom or pulled all the way down, not so much. I think I would have to make it a little bit bigger, or the inside bit a little bit bigger. Yeah, work in progress. But I made this from fleece. It's like a really high quality kind of fabric, and I did the seeds in French knots, and I really, really like it because I'm all about the whimsical.